Hello, my name is Daniela, and I want to thank you so much for practicing with me today. Today's sequence is designated to help you calm your mind, center yourself, and cultivate a sense of inner peace. It's perfect to do before a meeting, work, an exam, a job interview, or simply to start your day with a sense of tranquility. Let's begin our class today by standing at the top of our mats with the feet slightly apart, parallel to each other, and hands at the heart in Namaste. Keep your spine straight and shoulders relaxed, closing down the eyes. We'll start with a few rounds of deep breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. And again, inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Two more times, inhaling out through the mouth. And last one, inhaling and exhaling. Beautiful. Just breathe in and out through your nose now. If Ujjayi is in your practice, feel free to bring the Ujjayi in your practice today. And when you're ready, slowly and gently open your eyes. Let's move now into a few rounds of half Sun Salutations, bringing your feet together at the top of your mat. And with the hands at the heart in Namaste, as you inhale, raise your arms overhead. Exhale, fold forward, bringing your hands to the floor. Inhale, lift your chest halfway up, using your shins as props if the floor is too far. And exhale, fold forward again. Inhale, come all the way up with your arms overhead, and exhale, bring your hands to your heart center. One more time. Inhale, raise your arms overhead. Exhale, fold forward. Bring your hands to the floor. Inhale, lift your chest halfway up. And exhale, fold again. Inhale, come all the way up. And exhale, bring your hands all the way to your heart center. Last one. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhaling halfway up. Exhale, fold again. And inhale to come all the way up with your arms overhead. Exhaling, bringing your hands in Namaste at the heart. Take a moment here. Continue focusing on your breath today. And let's now complete one round of Sun Salutation. Inhale, raise your arms overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come halfway up. And exhale, plant the hands down, stepping back to a plank. Moving through a chaturanga. Inhaling, back bending, maybe cobra or upward facing dog. And on the exhale, move into a downward facing dog. Let's take a few breaths here. Maybe pedaling the feet or moving the hips from side to side. Doing whatever works for you today. Keep inhaling and out. One more breath here. Exhaling out. On your next exhale, bring your knees down on the floor, coming into a tabletop and moving into a child's pose, either with the knees apart as wide as your mat, or maybe knees together, resting your forehead on the mat, stretching your arms out in front of you and breathing deeply, feeling the calming effect of this pose. Just 2 breaths here, inhaling and exhaling, releasing tension and relaxing the shoulders. One last breath here, inhaling and exhaling. On your next inhale, lift yourself back up to a tabletop position and then tucking the toes in, move back to a downward facing dog. Just 2 breaths, inhaling, maybe in complete stillness. Today, letting our attention to be solely on our breath. Often in a yoga practice, it's easy to overlook the significance of our breath and forget about it as soon as we start our practice. So make sure you are breathing deeply in and out today. Beautiful. On your next exhale, lower your knees back down again and come up to a comfortable seated cross-leg position. Close your eyes and place one hand on your heart and the other hand on your belly. Feel the rise and fall of your breath, of your belly, and maybe your chest. Take a moment to acknowledge and accept yourself exactly as you are today, with all your feelings, no matter their nature. Relax your shoulders. Just 2 more breaths here. Feel your heartbeat, inhaling and exhaling. Last breath, inhaling and out. Now gently massage your temples. Massage your head, massage your ears. Take some time here again, enjoying this self-care moment, making sure you are releasing any unnecessary tension, maybe slowly massaging the soles of your feet as well. Enjoy, relax, keep your eyes closed, just focus on the breath. Beautiful. Now once more, bring one hand on your heart and the other on your belly. Keep your eyes closed and continue to breathe here, deep in and out, grounding yourself in this beautiful moment. Breathing deeply in and slowly breathing out. One more time and out. Now repeat the following affirmations silently or out loud with me. I accept myself exactly as I am today, with all my feelings, thoughts, and emotions. Everything is okay. Thank you for a brand new day. I am grateful for everything that I have. Today is going to be the best day ever. Feel the truth of these words and embrace yourself with compassion and understanding. Feeling and letting the positive energy of these words to flow within you now. Take a moment. Now slowly bring your hands at the heart in Namaste and take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time to center and calm your mind. Carry this feeling of calmness and acceptance with you throughout your day, knowing that you have the power to transform the way you feel at any time. You are strong and resilient. Remember, whenever you feel overwhelmed or stressed, return to your breath and repeat the above affirmations to bring yourself back to a sense of calm within you. Take a final deep breath in now. And as you exhale, open your eyes with a smile and feel ready to face the day with a centered and peaceful mind. Thank you for practicing with me today. The divine light within me honors the divine light within you. Namaste.